All right, this is a real short one. What I've done is, what I have to do is I've got my glue bit in, my middle seams here, and a couple of little rivets that I had just a little bit of moisture when I had it turned upside down, which, I don't know if you see it, but I went ahead and socked her on there real good. So maybe to cover that and for good measures. These weren't leaking, but just went ahead and did the center ones anyway. I was going to do these right here all the way down, but there was no sense in it because it wouldn't seal the bottom because I've already painted the bottom. So anyway, I'll worry about it later. Hope not. Anyway, my console is too small, and so when I put my steering wheel up there, there's no room for any electronics, anything. And so what I'm going to do, what I've done, I'm in the process of, I took a flat piece of metal, aluminum, and I am going to, you can see it, it's going to go to angle, and it's going to go straight over, and then it's going to cup down just for a little bit of protection. And how I did it was, I have flattened it out, measured I figured about 4 inches, and then 4 inches, and then 4 inches. Then I had took two 2x4s, put them one on one side, one on the other side, clamped them down, took a hammer, kind of beat it around, pushed it, and first formed my 90, and then my whatever that angle is. That angle's not good yet. I've got to still work on that because I'm just kind of placing it right now. Anyway, so then you come in, you make a cut there, make a bend. Well, you need to make a cut there too, because if you don't make a cut there, it doesn't line up just right. So you cut a little piece here. So when you make that fold, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold number 1, number 2, and then fold that over so if rain hits it, it should go over the outside. And I will have something that looks like that. Yep, home for sale. Yep, you saw it. Anyway, and then once I get all this done, I'm going to rivet it down the way I want it, square to a box, and then I'll come and trim this bottom piece right there all the way across to make it pretty. So it's going to fit just like this. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. This right here will be riveted down. This will be trimmed off here. This will be pushed in tighter so it's square. And that's what I mean by you need to cut a little piece of this piece right here off, because when you fold this under, it won't fold all the way under. It will still leave this little bottom piece. So what I've done is, and well, what happens is this won't go all the way in and make this square. So you've got to cut just a little bit of piece off right here to make her go better. Anyway. So that's, I don't know if you can see it, I'm leaning over. That's where she's starting to bend, and that will be the complete bend. And so what it's going to do is it's going to come over a little 4 inches, and I can put my electronics right here, GPS, fish finder, or whatever, right there. Then I'm going to come later, I'm thinking, I'm going to take some stainless steel poles and some